Growing up, my parents always told me I loved to argue. So my parents always told me, you love to argue so much, you should be a lawyer. And that's what I ended up doing. The thing I love most about the law is obtaining justice for clients. A lot of times they feel that they're the small person against a big company. In most courtrooms, they have the Lady Liberty holding the scales of justice, and Lady Liberty is blindfolded. That is to symbolize the fact that justice is blind. It doesn't matter if you're an individual or a big company, everybody is treated equally under the law. I never intended to go to law school. I was headed towards law enforcement, and after working as a probation officer for a few years, I decided to go to law school so that I could help people who needed someone who could be their champions. One thing I really enjoy about the law is everybody's equal. It doesn't matter in a courtroom whether you have no money or a lot of money, the court treats everybody equally. Like Kogan and Ted DiSalvo, I'm a board certified civil trial lawyer. Less than 2% of attorneys in this state are board certified, and that means I'm a specialist. I'm an expert in litigating and trying cases. One of the things I enjoy most about litigation is strategizing. I love to look at a case and figure out the strategy to obtain the best result for the client. Although I'm aggressive in litigating the cases, I'm always compassionate and kind to my clients because these are injured people who need help. I've been practicing law for 30 years and I've seen almost everything, but what I've learned is every case is different. You need to learn who the client is and how the injuries have affected their life so that you can present that to a jury and persuade the jury to give fair and adequate compensation. What inspires me, what motivates me, gives me joy every day is to get up and to help clients overcome obstacles, to prevail, and to get fair and adequate compensation for what they've been through so they do not feel that it was all for nothing. So they feel in the end that they did get justice.